Hello everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending the time you're coming across this video. Yeah, today I would like to talk about bacterial infection. What bacterial infection is. Yeah. Subsequently, I will still talk about the treatments and then how to prevent it. But today I'm here to speak about what bacterial infection is. Yeah, I'm just going to explain to us what bacterial infection is. So without wasting much time, please, if today is the first time you're coming across my video, please do well to like, comment, subscribe, and follow me for more health topics. So what is bacterial infection, if I may ask? This bacterial infection, what is it all about? Bacterial infection are illness, caused by harmful bacteria entering the body and then multiplying. Is an illness caused by bacteria, by harmful bacteria, entering the body and then multiplying. So bacteria are single-celled. Bacteria is a single-celled called microorganisms that exist everywhere. This bacterial infection they exist everywhere. It can be in it can be in the air, in the water, on the soil, and even so. This bacterial infection can be anywhere. It can be in the soil, it can be in the water, it can be in the air, and even in the human body. That is just it. So while many bacteria are harmless, or you can say they are beneficial, but some can cause disease. So we are not going to overlook the fact that some bacteria can actually be harmless and some can actually be beneficial, while some can cause disease. So here are some common bacterial infections, diseases, common bacterial infections. They include strep throat, urinary tract infection, which is UTI, tuberculosis, or what have you, bacterial pneumonias, a lot. There are a lot of bacterial infections, but these ones that I just mentioned are just to get us, for us to understand what I'm actually trying to say here, or what I'm actually trying to explain here. So these diseases that I mentioned here, they are just the common bacterial infections. We have number one, we have the strep throat. Yes, we have tuberculosis, we have urinary tract infections, and we have bacterial pneumonias, and etc. A lot of them. So, and these infections, they can, they affect various parts of our body. These infections, they affect various parts of our body, such as the skin. This infection can affect various parts of our bodies, such as the skin, the lungs, the digestive system, and then the bloodstreams. And the symptoms varies depending on the type of infection. Yeah, but may include fever, fatigue, pain, swelling, and then or redness. Yeah, swelling or redness. So just know that the symptoms you may experience varies on the type of infection that you are experiencing. So, but most common symptoms are this one that I just mentioned, which are fever, fatigue, swelling or redness, pain, You understand? So these are the common symptoms that you can actually experience. But note that symptoms varies depending on the type of infection that the person is actually having. So bacterial infections are typically treated. It's not something that kills. It's not something that takes away your life. No, they are actually treated. It's something that you can treat. Yes. So you can treat them with antibiotics, which either kill the bacteria or stop them, from multiplying. The antibiotics that you're taking is either it kills the bacteria or it stops them from doing what? From multiplying. However, note that misuse or overuse of antibiotics, can lead to antibiotics resistance. So note that misuse or overuse of antibiotics can actually cause antibiotics resistance. So when you misuse it, just remember that over everything that you overdo, or so everything that you misuse actually have this what do I call it? Have repercussions. Let me use that word. So whenever you misuse or overuse any antibiotics, it can actually lead to what? Antibiotics resistance, making an infection harder to treat. So in other words, when you experience or when you have any kind of signs, or when you have any signs or any symptoms of bacterial infection, what you need to do is to seek medical help. Seek a professional help. Look for professional help. In that way, you can actually know the antibiotics suitable for you to use. You understand? Don't indulge in self-medication, because self-medication can actually kill. Yes, self-medication can actually cause you to, it can actually cause you more damage than good. So whenever you are experiencing or having any sign of infection at all, always seek medical aid. So today I'm going to stop here for today, because I don't want to prolong or make the video longer. So I would like to stop here for today. Please, on my next video, I'm going to be telling. So we have come to the end of today's topic. So on my next video, which I might be posting tomorrow here, on my next video I'll be talking. I'll be telling us the prevention, how to prevent bacterial infection, and the treatments too. So for you not to miss out on any of this, just follow me, like, comment, and then share this video, so that whenever I make a post here, you'll be notified. Whenever I post here, you get a notification. So do well to follow me and get more of these interesting health talks to help prevent some certain bacteria or some certain diseases. Thank you, and remember, your health is your wealth. When you're healthy, you're wealthy. Thank you, and see you guys in my next video.